Just a quick video of replacing a tailgate handle on a 2008 GMC Canyon. So camping, and my lockable handle here broke on us, and somebody wanted to get the cooler and couldn't open the tailgate of the truck. So fortunately I was able to get up in here with some cable and release my Lear canopy top. But here's what broke. This plastic push arm here snapped right there, and I've got a replacement here from Rock Auto. So we're just gonna transfer everything over, and it's actually pretty awesome. You just pop these screws out and you get access to the tailgate. Okay, the first step is transfer the lock over if you have one. First, I found if you remove this first, then you can release the push rod from it. And to release the push rod, you just push this out and hold the rod and it'll release, and then you can pop the rod out. Okay, just gonna show how to pop this in here. Down, swinger. Okay, good to go. And then you can see down here, you want to line this up right here, and then we'll put in our 10mm bolt, and we're basically ready to install it. Threads right in there. Quick function test before we put it in. Right now the key's not engaged, so we'll lock it. Okay, that's swung this here, and now the levers should move, and they do, so good to go to the next step. Just two 10mm bolts, and then this will pop out, and then you can lift this guy out of here and pop this over and release this guy. Just remember how it connects and put the new one in the same way as the old one comes out. Well, there it is, all hooked up. Do a few tests before putting the back plate on, and you're ready to rock. This is a quarter beer job.